i35equipment.com. Today we're in a John Deere 310 SL backhoe loader. We're going to be showing you how to swap or change your pattern controls if your machine was equipped with it from the factory. This one's going to be pretty easy and pretty basic. Just go through it with you so you're well aware of what to do here. First thing we're going to do is have the machine running, which we do. We're sitting here in the air conditioner. Next thing we're going to do is go ahead and unlock our controls so that we can operate the machine, so we can show you that it is working and how it works. So right now, this one's going to be set on backhoe pattern, and the way you can tell is we've got this little button right here on the joist, or on the keypad here. So that's backhoe. To swap, you're just going to simply push this button once. It's going to illuminate over here for excavator. Now you're already set to go. There's nothing else to do. This is going to now be changed from stick to boom, boom to stick, which is the difference between backhoe and excavator on your pattern controls. One other little note, if you didn't know, this little spot right here, this little lever, is going to be for your extendable dipper or extended hoe. Do hope that video is beneficial to you. Now, if yours is not operating or not changing, it may have not been a option that was installed at the factory, or something else might be going on that you ought to talk to your John Deere dealer about, but it should be as simple as that. Hope the video is beneficial to you. There's a look at your legend for the two different control patterns. Hope you have a wonderful day, and if you're in the market for used equipment, you can always check out our full and update inventory of used heavy machinery on the website at i35equipment.com. Hope you have a wonderful day.